So I bought a can of Rust-Oleum just to see if the color is close to the Polaris color. Seems to be pretty dang close. I understand I gotta sand this and stuff to get it to look right. But just to get her for now, I think that did a pretty good job. It's not even dry yet, so it's a little bit not quite the right color. But it's the dark hunter green gloss protective enamel Rust-Oleum. 12 ouncer. I think it looks pretty good. So I'll probably end up sanding her down, taking the pad off, and just painting her green. Make it all one nice continuous color. But for right now, looks good like this. And once it dries, it'll look really nice. I can give you a sample here. I painted some previous. I think it's almost a dang near a match. Probably won't know till I get out in the sunlight, but that looks pretty close. I know it's pretty hard to find paint for this machine because Polaris doesn't make the paint color anymore. And it's a 1999. I'm sure this will work for lots of different machines that are this hunter green. I don't know if they call it dark hunter green. So hopefully this works out for you. It's a good option. Seems to be drying almost exactly the same. Worked great for this 1999 6x6. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Just gotta sand her down and clean her up and give her another coating. It's a great option for not having to take a piece of paint off and bring it to Sherwin-Williams or something to see if they can make some paint for metal. So that's what I was gonna do because I couldn't find anything. Just happened to come across this can just to check it out. It's not quite dry yet, but yeah, that's awesome. Can't believe it worked. Thanks.